we don't have to wait until every digital address has been fully recorded and registered in the digital address register before people can start utilizing that database for their records. As we indicated when we were launching the digital property address system, the system has capability for providing a digital address for every 5 by 5 square meter space. And so that data is available. All the health centers which are going to be part of the Zipline project will have digital addresses. CHIPS compounds, health centers currently would have digital addresses. And so once Parliament has given approval for this project to commence, the actual implementation of the project, a lot of discussions and conversations are going to be had amongst the various actors who will make this project successful, and that includes Ghana Post. And so yes, we have had discussions with them prior to the contract being sent to Parliament. We will continue to engage with them to ensure that the purposes for which this project is being implemented are fully achieved. And these addresses are pre-programmed into the drones. So when they take off, they know exactly where they're going. They're like missiles. You do not program it mid-air, no. Before it is launched, it knows its destination. And that's the way the Zipline process also works.